Hello, all you wonderful people out in YouTube land, and welcome to the Dollar Store Pour. Thank you so much for joining me. It is a beautiful day to paint, so let's go ahead and get right to it. So as you can probably tell, I'm starting with white on the canvas. There's a little bit of silver and gold in there, just a little bit left over from the paints I'm going to be using, so I just put it on there. It's going to be all covered over, so it doesn't really matter. The colors I'm going to be using today are white, black, silver, gold, and pink. The pink was at the bottom of the bottle, so I didn't bother putting it in a cup. In the white, of course, PVA glue, water, that's standard. I've got this, used this before. It's silicone based. I believe it's silicone based. I really can't find anything online about this particular shoe leather protectant thing, but usually it's silicone based. I'm going to put a little bit of that in the white and the silver. Give that just a tiny bit of a stir. And I've got some alcohol here. I'll put a little bit of that in the black. And in the gold, I will be using a little bit of dish detergent. Perhaps. Oh, nozzle's clogged up. There we are. And what I'm doing today is a swipe painting because I haven't done one in a while, so I thought, why not? So I'm going to start here at the corner. Let's start with white. That's probably enough. We'll see how it goes. And just a tiny bit of black. Then we'll go silver. And we're just going to alternate. Pink. And some more silver. And gold. Go with a tiny bit more black. And more silver. And I don't mind if there's some gaps there with the white. That's going to be all covered over when I do the swipe. And I'll go with a bit more pink. And silver, almost done here. Gold. This will be it for the silver. That's it for the silver. And we'll go with some gold here. Finish it off. Whoops. Alright, well, we've got a corner there revealed, but that's alright because we're going to swipe all that over anyway. I'm just going to go ahead and put a little more white on here. And that's it for the white. Now I'm going to be swiping from this corner out, and I'll be using this, which is just a piece of plastic. It was from those cheap plastic binders, and I've used it before and cut it up into various sizes. So let's see what we do. What we get here. And I'm not adding any extra pressure. Just the from the piece of plastic itself. I'm just wiping it off after each swipe. See all the cells forming already. That's good. Just one more swipe. There we are. All right. So let's go ahead and give that a quick torch. Some air bubbles popping. All right, because we've got a lot of additives on there, we're going to go ahead and let that sit. Get about a half an hour or so, and we'll come back and we'll take a look. Let's get a closer look here. Alright, so we'll give that about a half an hour and we'll see what we get. Alright, so it's been about a half an hour. I don't know that there's been a great deal of difference. Maybe a few extra cells, some of the cells might have gotten a little bit bigger. But certainly overall liking how that looks. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. I hope you liked what you saw. If you did, go ahead and throw a like my way. It'd be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you all again for watching. And I'll see all you wonderful people next time.